Southern Yankee DIY. I'm Leah and I'm so glad to have you here today. If this is your first time joining us, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below because you don't want to miss out on any of the Southern Yankee DIY projects, room renovations, or budget-savvy home decor. Today we have something extra sweet planned for y'all. We teamed up with a bunch of our YouTube friends to bring you some Valentine crafts and decor. I can't wait to show you what we came up with. We have some fun Farmhouse Books and also a Dollar Tree cake stand that I know you're going to love. I'm going to go ahead and link my friends below, so be sure to check out their projects and tell them that we sent you. That's it, let's get started. The first Valentine project I'm going to make is out of supplies I have used all from the dollar store. I've got this little heart-shaped vase and this little tray. First, I'm going to take my Gorilla Glue and put it on the outside edge of the vase. Then I'm going to simply attach my little tray and hold some pressure for about 30 seconds. I'm going to set a book on top of the tray while it dries so that it has an extra hold. This is such a simple and fun way to make DIY cake stands. I like to do these with candlesticks, and then you can paint the bottom of the candlestick all kinds of ways. So I'm going to let this dry and then I'll show you how that turns out a little later. For our next project, I wanted to do some DIY farmhouse looking books. For this project, you can get hardcover books from the thrift store, from the Dollar Tree, or just old ones that you've had in the past that you read already. And I'm just going to go ahead and use some extra paint that I am using from our linen closet project. It's Sherwin-Williams Pure White, and I'm just going to cover all the books completely. Make sure to get in all of the cracks and all of the crevices because you don't want to have any bleed through from the book. Also make sure to get all of your edges. For this last book, I really love the red cover, and since these are Valentine's themed, I'm going to go ahead and leave it. So I'm just going to paint the spine of the book. To get the very edges of the spine, I used a small paintbrush, just to make sure that I didn't get any white paint on the red cover. Each book cover got 2 coats of paint, just to make sure that it was nice and smooth and that you couldn't see any of the cover through the paint. For the lettering portion of this project, I really wish I had a set of stamps, but I don't, so I'm going to use my vinyl and cut out some words with my Cricut machine. You could also use stickers if you didn't have either one of those. I'm going to go ahead and use my Cricut light pad to weed out this vinyl. It just makes everything so much easier, especially when you're dealing with that darker vinyl, to help you see what exactly you're weeding out. Now I'm just going to order my books in the order that I want them. I want that red cover on top because I think it's going to make the whole set really pop. Then I'm just going to place my vinyl along the edge of the spine, and I want them all on the right side. I just think that that looks really pretty, but you could put them in the middle if you wanted to. Because these books are going to be Valentine themed, I wanted something special for the wording. So I'm going to use Love is 1 Corinthians 13:1. I love that these set of verses, they really speak love to me, but go ahead and customize it to be whatever you want it to be. To finish off this set of books, I'm going to go ahead and use some old red Christmas ribbon just to bind them together. I'm also going to use some dollar store twine just to give it a little extra something. After you've got all of your twine wrapped around, you could even add florals or any other kind of greenery, something special to make it pop extra. But I think that because we have the red cover on the top book, plus the twine and the ribbon, I think that that's plenty. And that's it. I absolutely love how this set of books came out, and our DIY cake stand is super cute. For some more DIY Valentine inspiration, check out my other YouTube friends that I'm going to link below. You're going to love their projects as much as I do.